in this video, I'm going to tell you something which most of the people do not know, which is which one is the greater than and the less than signs. As this is a very important topic, as you need this in programming, and I know I'm telling you by my personal experience in Python that you need which is greater than and less than sign. And you also have a chapter of inequalities in maths which talks about the greater than and the less than sign. So this is a very important thing what you should be knowing. So this video will not only teach you which one is the greater than and the less than sign, but I will also be giving you the way in which you will never be forgetting which one is the greater than and the less than sign. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So the main important thing to notice here is actually the but. Some of you might remember it quickly because I said it in a different tone, but if you cannot remember, just say the back side. So if the back side of the arrow faces towards the left, that means it's the lesser than sign. So if the left side is lesser than, then the other side of the but will be greater than sign. So this is it. And the trick I told you was, and one more thing, before we move on with the trick, if you want to proceed forward, like the video and subscribe to the channel. And let's go. So it is actually, some of you might have noticed, but if you didn't, I'm going to tell you. The trick is, see, L stands for left, L for left, and L for less. So this way you might not be able to forget. And once again I repeat, L for left, L for less. Then the another one will automatically be greater than sign. And this was the trick which I personally used to recognize these signs. So once again, L for left, L for less.